Alright, we got ourselves another project here at the residence. So this is my back porch, and this is what we got going on. It's a mess. An absolute mess. If people that lived here before, I don't know what they were doing. But this thing had its day. So in this video, I'm going to show you a little bit of what's going to happen to this back deck. Just the tear down part of it. Not going to get into the build yet. But just to show you what we got here, it is just an old back porch. And yeah, I'm going to tear it down. So check it out. Boom, phase one complete. Phase two, let's get to the gutters and start knocking on this roof a little bit.
Yeah.
Is it on video?
It's recording.
Does it say time warp or say video at the bottom?
It doesn't say anything.
Here.
it doesn't,
whatever you got.
It doesn't say anything.
You got more than I would have had.
There it is. There he is. Richard D. Doing the roof, baby. Richie Big TV.
That's right, baby.
Rookie, say hi.
Okay, now for all you professionals out there that are going to tell me 9 different ways on how I could have did this, find your own project. Because this is my project. So, don't beat me up on which way I was going to do things here, because I'm still learning, as you can tell. Thanks.
See that firefighter move right there?
I'm gonna stop.
So far, yeah, this is all we got. This is it. But we're making good time. So we're going to start getting these shingles off and seeing how much farther we can get for the end of the day here. But yeah, so far so good. Everything's smooth. The house didn't fall down yet. So yeah, let's keep going. Okay, baby.
Hands okay, huh? On the inside, grab the bottom and walk backwards. Right, left, backwards.
Oh, rip it. Come on, you go.
Doug, one more shake.
Yeah. Hell yeah. So far, so good, baby. Everything's coming down smooth, and the second shift has arrived.
$250 one away for that.
Yeah.
Yeah, too short. Yeah, boy. All right, next. Who's your mama? There you go. Stay there. Whoa. Okay. Just like the Sandlot.
Perfect.
So what was that? What might be all you need?
It's good. But it lived.
You're a neat.
Hi. Do I look okay?
Stunning.
If my hair's straight. I hate my hair.
Stunning.
Alright.
Like a bag of money, baby.
I'll see you later.
Give me something. Yeah.
Love you.
Call you in a little bit.
Hi, baby.
Hey, Britt.
Yeah.
Alright, everybody. So basically, this is just the final wrap up here. Cleaning up most of the shingles. Just getting everything tidied up. If you're wondering who the cat is in the vest, that's Cash. The brains of the operation, if you want to call it. You'll see mostly in the next video going to be coming out here. So thanks again, everybody, for watching. Again, this is me just wanting to learn. It seems like guys my age these days don't know how to do any type of hands-on stuff. So thanks to my Uncle Cash for, donating his time and showing me how to do things. Check out the next video, guys. Thanks. Yeah.